Welcome to Smart Study for Career. In this video, I will teach you top 10 general knowledge MCQ based on capital of country. Question. What is the capital city of Mauritius? Answer is Port Louis. Question. What is the capital city of Mauritania? Answer is Nouakchott. Question. What is the capital city of Mexico? Answer is Mexico City. Question. What is the capital city of Micronesia? Answer is Palikir. Question. What is the capital city of Moldova? Answer is Chinu. Question. What is the capital city of Monaco? Answer is Monaco. Question. What is the capital city of Mongolia? Answer is Ulaanbaatar. Question. What is the capital city of Montenegro? Answer is Podgorica. Question. What is the capital city of Morocco? Answer is Rabat. Question. What is the capital city of Mozambique? Answer is Maputo. Thanks for watching full video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share please.